Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share something really cool because Hey Happiness has contacted me once again to work with them. I was actually able to pick out some really beautiful bracelets. These are all 18 karat rose gold coated bracelets. I picked 3 really different bracelets, but I love them so much and I didn't have any rose gold items yet. Of course, I do wear a ton of their pieces already since I've been working with them for a couple of years now, and I just really love the brand. They're actually very eco-friendly. Just look at the packaging. It is all just cardboard paper, and I just love the little quotes that are inside the boxes as well. So here are the 3 boxes that I actually received. Of course, the jewelry is already on my wrist because once it got in the mail, I've been wearing it non-stop. That is how much I love the 3 pieces that I chose. And then again, just look at the cute little quotes inside. I just love them a lot. So if you want any additional information, just check the description box. And for now, I felt really inspired to pick out a couple of rose gold matching nail polishes because my channel is all about anything nail related. So let's just tie it all together and just swatch some beautiful, quite random rose gold polishes that are in my collection. So I just picked a couple of different ones. I decided to not dip my toes into the holo taco ones because they have a lot of rose gold ones, and these like the ones I picked are actually more affordable or easy to get by as well. So the first one I chose is by PJR Care nail polish. This polish might be a little bit more difficult to get your hands on since it is a Dutch brand, but it is a pure rose gold polish. It is so shiny, so shimmery, really gorgeous, and it is a one coater as well. A really nice fun fact about this brand: they are located in the Netherlands just like me, but they actually have 16 free formula as we speak, which is amazing. I love that. I tend to use a lot of polishes that are either produced in Europe, so they are really safe to use. Also, if you are pregnant or anything like that, you can definitely still use them. Nails actually don't breathe like that. They don't soak up the ingredients like a lot of people tend to think. If you have any discoloration, that is just in the top surface of the nail and not through and through the entire nail, so it doesn't get into your bloodstream or anything like that. But yeah, I just wanted to get that out there. Always use safe to use polishes, and of course apply it to your nails and get it off of your skin whenever it touches it. Then the next color already, this one is by Orly. This one is called Fairy Godmother. I have actually used this one I think already 3 times in previous videos. I just really like it, and of course there was a cat hair stuck in my nail polish, but you know, that's life. What are you gonna do about it when you have 2 senior cats walking around? But yeah, this color is a little bit less pinky than the previous one. Always when it comes to rose gold, it's quite hard to just pick one specific color and say that okay, that is the definition of rose gold, because I feel like there's an entire spectrum of different shades of rose gold. Of course it is gold with a tinge of pink in it, but you can make it look super pink, but you can make it look really gold with just a little bit of pink as well. And that is why I chose to actually just pick 5 very different looking kind of rose gold polishes from my collection, because it really is in the eye of the beholder and your personal preference. Whatever you feel like is rose gold to you. So yeah, the next one is one from the Brave Metallics nail polish collection by Catrice. These are quite easy to get by. You can actually order them online as well, and this one is called Every Day I'm Sparkling, like the song, you know, every day I'm sparkling. But yeah, I really like this one too. It is a little bit more on the pearly side, if you know what I mean. And once again, that cat hair, where is it coming from? My cats don't even get into my nail room, so definitely don't ask me. There is cat hair flying around like nobody's business. Like you can't vacuum enough to get rid of them. I don't know what it is. But this color is a little bit more on the pearly side. Of course, when it comes to metallic-y, shimmery kind of polishes, you don't want to overwork the polish either, because it can get a little streaky and you can just see brush strokes all over the place. So just a little tip, apply a very gentle pressure. So don't really press a lot onto your brush, and do have a quite like a higher amount of product on your brush while applying it. Just wipe off one side of the brush and apply the polish like that, so you get a less streaky result, I'd say. The next one is from the Essence Hidden Jungle collection. This one is called Secret Gem. It is definitely one of my favorites. Like, this color is, for me personally, a true rose gold. It is still a little sheer on the first coat, so if you're like me and you like a little bit more of like an opaque finish or result, definitely go in with a second layer. But for now, for the sake of the length of this video, I just really wanted to keep it short and snappy. So this is the end result of the coat. Then finally I was like, okay, I need some sparkle in life, so let's just add a glitter as well. This one is called Bijou and it is from H&M. So once again, really easy to get by. These are, I think, around like 4 or 5 euros, so they are kind of like drugstore priced. I'm not quite sure if they have a similar one of this glittery polish in their vegan plant-based collection. So if you're more into products like that, you can definitely check it out, but I'm not quite sure if the same one is in that collection as well. Then again, those are a little bit more pricier, like 6 or 7 euros a bottle. But you know, if that's your thing, definitely spend your money on that if you feel like it's worth it. But yeah, these were the 5 colors I really wanted to share with you for the International Women's Day 2023. And of course, definitely check out heyhappiness.com, because they have some really amazing items. If you're curious to see what other items that I have gotten by them throughout the years, definitely check out my older videos as well. I tend to work with them like twice a year or something like that. Their items are really high quality. You can actually wear them while swimming, showering, bathing, anything like that. They don't need a lot of extra attention or like polishing or anything like that. And yeah, I'm just really happy with my items. And then again, I will be wearing them for a long period of time, just like the rings that I am wearing at the moment as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. Once again, all of the information for the discount and the free gifts are in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.